Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is KURDIAZ DIRGA ARTU ROKHIMA. I am from Diploma 4 Electrical System Study Program, Electrical Engineering Department, Polytechnic Stage of Malang. In here, I will show you how to make the single line diagram of Elipse Power Studio software. Okay, straight to in here. We go into power configuration, double click it, and then it's shown like that. Then click electrical modeler. This is the substation 1, is the single line I will make. I'm sorry, I made yesterday, and then I will make the new substation, and then click this circle. This is substation. Click and drag it to this. This is substation 1. I'm sorry, this is substation 2. Substation 2. Then double click it. In here we make the single line diagram. For the first, we click bus bar and then drag. Like it. Okay, and then we click breaker. This is breaker. After that, the transformer, then the switch, and the last is load. This, and then we jumper or connect all equipment. Click this and then drag it like this, and the breaker to transformer, next the transformer to switch, and then the switch to load. This is already, the single line already done. And then we're going to analog. In here, click, we click add the three column. Yeah, there are analog measurement 1, 2, 3, and then we change it into IL1, and then it's 8 EP device, and then IL2, it's same, and then the IL3, it's same, 8 EP device, and then for the unit we change to A. Okay, after that we going to right click the power configuration and then click the electrical mode and then import to screen and click the substation 2 is we make the substation 2, so we click the substation 2 and then click OK. Okay, after this we go to screen and click the screen station, double click. Okay, wait a minute. This is the single line when we already make it. And then after that, we go to substation, we double click for the breaker in the measurement, we right click, insert the analog measurement, we make 3 columns, 1, 2, and 3. And then we change the log measurement with IL1, IL2, IL3, and then insert the IL1 with the SCADA. The step is right click in the IL1 and then click add and click SCADA. The IL2 is same step, click SCADA, and the IL3 is same at SCADA. For the type, we search IL1, and then for the IL2, the type is IL2, the IL3, the IL3. Okay, the next step is next for the tag in the SCADA, we click the triple dot and then we go into substation 2 in the breaker, in the measurement for the IL1, oh I'm sorry, I mean then we click we click the driver, for the tag we go into driver and the measurement. To the IL1 we use the current R and then click value. You wait a minute, then paste. The tag is shown like that. And then we go into IL2. It's the same step with IL1. We go into driver and current S to IL2 and then click value and then paste. For the it's same, click value and then paste. And then we click the I'm sorry, and the next step I will make the substation 2 is the initial screen, and the step is like this. But first is click the substation 2, and then we go into property. Oh, I'm sorry. I think we go into view and viewer. Okay, to make the substation 2 is initial screen. The first step, we click the view and frames, then click viewers. Now after that, if the shown like that, we go into properties, and then for the data is initial screen. This is the screen of substation 1, and then we change to screen of substation 2, and then paste. Nah, the substation 2 is already changed into the initial screen, and then we click running. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, it's already shown like that. And then we back to the screen. After this, we can add the indicator, and the step is right click and click insert, and then click export display. It's shown like that. And then because there are R, S, and T, so we make it 3 column, and like that. Okay, then we click right click and then click properties, the link source, and then for the measurement we click 3 dot, and then click the server and the driver, we double click for the measurement, and then we click the current R, and then click paste, and then okay, and then next click the properties. This is for line 2. With the same step, the current is changed to S, and paste, and the next we click guarantee and then paste. And then we can add the name tag to each line, which click the label and then drag it like this, and then copy, and then next we make a chain, and the last okay, we use we write, oh my god, I'm sorry, we click the current R, okay. For the first label we go into properties and then find the caption and then click the current R, oh my god, like this, and then the same step, the caption is current as, and last the current day. Okay, and then the last step we running, I will click refresh. It's already done. This is the single line diagram for the last. And why this is the question mark for the current RSNT, because this software is not connect to device, and if the software is connected to device, this tag will this value will counting the current, so the value will appear in this each tag. Okay, I think it's now the tutorial for single line diagram of Elipse software. So thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.